Hello friends, do you know how the movement is carried out in the CNC machine? At which principle it works? Which theory is implementing? No? So today we will find the answer of all these questions. This is Ajay Gupta from Mechanical Engineering Department. Welcomes you to the zone of learning. Today we will learn about axis nomenclature. Friends, as the name indicated, manufacturing process or machines are connected with computers. Then it is known as computer-aided manufacturing, and to run these machines there is some designation, some nomenclature is defined. According to that principle, machine will move. So next we will see the axis nomenclature. What is this? The CNC machine is a process in manufacturing where programmed computer software directs the motion of the machinery and tools. All machines are equipped with the basic traveling component which move in relation to one another as well as the perpendicular direction. So all axes of the machines are oriented in the orthogonal coordinate system. For example, Cartesian coordinate system, which is follow the right hand thumb rule. The right hand thumb rule establishes the orientation and the description of the tool motion along the positive or negative direction of each axis. This rule is recognized worldwide and is standard for which axis identification was established. So, to understand the concept of the right hand thumb rule, keep the palm of your right hand in laid out flat in your eyes. Direction of each finger represent the positive direction of the motion. So here the thumb will point the positive direction in the x-axis. Forefinger will represent the y direction. Then now fold over the little finger and the ring finger and allow the middle finger to form the third axis, that is z axis, which points in the positive z direction. And the point was there, it intersected in the one point that is known as origin. Z axis is along the spindle axis and the parallel to the spindle axis. Friends, here is one important point that you have to remember, that the z axis is always parallel to spindle axis. So in the motion, positive z direction increase the clearance between the work surface and tool holder, and z and y axis are determined with the reference to the z axis. So let's see the axis and motion nomenclature in the CNC turning machine. As shown in the diagram, there is only two axes, x and z. As we see, the z axis is parallel to the spindle. So in the turning center, as per the right hand thumb rule, y axis position will be vertical, and there is no vertical motion in the turning center. That's why y axis is absent, or it will not consider. So friends, in CNC turning there is only two axes, z axis and x axis. Okay. So moving forward, and next we will see the axis and motion nomenclature for the CNC mill. So as shown in the diagram, there is usually three axes, x, y and z. In the milling machine, there is two different positions of the spindle, vertical or horizontal. So as per the right hand thumb rule, z axis will also change and other axis will be perpendicular to the z axis. So here you can see in the diagram, in vertical axis milling machine, z axis is vertical, x is horizontal, where table will move right direction or left direction. Same as y axis is perpendicular to the z and x, so table will move forward and backward. Okay. Same as in the horizontal milling machine, the axis is changed, z position is changed. So as per the right hand thumb rule, z axis will be horizontal. right? Hope you like this video, and we will meet in the next video with some more learning topic. Thanks for watching this video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.